Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do pixel art in Krita. First, create a new file. Set a small canvas size like 32 by 32, 64 by 64, or 128 by 128 pixels. Keep the resolution at default since pixel art focuses on pixel dimensions, not DPI. Then click Create. Next, enable the grid so you can clearly see each pixel. Go to View, then Show Grid. If the grid doesn't match your pixels, set the spacing to 1 pixel for both horizontal and vertical. This makes each square represent 1 pixel. Now select the freehand brush tool and choose a hard round brush preset with no softness. In the Tool Options docker, turn off brush smoothing. You don't want stabilizers for pixel art because they blur or soften edges. Set your brush size to 1 pixel. This is important because pixel art is drawn 1 pixel at a time, so avoid large brush sizes. When zooming in, use nearest neighbor scaling. Krita does this automatically when zoomed in, so your pixels stay crisp instead of blurry. Work zoomed in, but zoom out regularly to check how the sprite looks at actual size. To color, use the Fill tool with Fill Entire Selection or Contiguous Selection, depending on what you need. Keep your color palette limited for a clean pixel art look. And that's how you do pixel art in Krita. Thanks for watching.